Here we are at the Albany Bulb. So this is basically the entrance. It's a dog-friendly area. Beautiful view.
The Albany Bulb is a former landfill owned by the city of Albany here in Northern California, not too far from San Francisco. The Albany Bulb Peninsula is a relic of almost a century of systematic filling of the shallow bay and its adjacent wetlands. This filling was largely halted by the efforts of Save the Bay from the 1960s to the 1980s, and today you can still find remains of construction debris such as rebar and concrete slabs all around the Albany Bulb.
I got some other creepy ass shit over here. Sydney, smile. Come here, Bubbles. Now this is cute. Ah yes, the random secrets of the Albany Bulb. Sydney, be careful.
Starting in the early 1990s, the Albany Bulb was home to a community of homeless individuals who lived there on and off for nearly 20 years. Despite a lack of official permission from the city of Albany, their presence was generally tolerated so as long as the number of residents remained low. The population living on the Bulb had grown to approximately 60 in early 1999, leading to a mass eviction by the city later that summer. Homeless people began to filter back over the next few years, including many of those who had been evicted in 1999. By early 2013, the population had grown to more than 40. In May of 2013, the city of Albany voted to evict the residents of the Bulb.
Are you? Creepy. Said go investigate it for us.
The Albany Bulb is home to a vast array of urban art, including murals, stencils, graffiti art, garbage art, and sculptures throughout the park.
Short walk from the parking lot is this awesome little beach. Big gorgeous view of San Francisco. Golden Gate Bridge. Dog friendly beach right here. There are a number of trails that you guys can walk. There's garbage art, trash art, graffiti art, you name it, it's all over this place.